The strategy we pursue for Majedie Investments is truly global. Our team seeks out exceptional opportunities wherever they may exist in the world. However, it's really important that shareholders in Majedie can think of their investment as a GBP-denominated asset. Our mandate is to deliver them inflation-beating total returns measured in GBP pound sterling. How do we go about doing this? First, I can reassure shareholders that we certainly don't engage in currency speculation. We are fundamental, bottom-up investors. Predicting exchange rate moves is not one of our core competencies at Marylebone Partners. Second, whether it's a special investment, an external manager allocation, or a direct investment in a public company, our analysts take into account the potential impact that exchange rates could have on the fundamental thesis. That's just one of the many considerations that goes into our decision making. The third point is a real differentiator for Majedie versus some of our peer group. We recognize that by making an investment denominated in a currency other than sterling, we are in fact taking two implicit decisions. Not only that we expect the investment to do well in its local currency, but also that the currency will not depreciate materially versus Majedie's base currency of GBP sterling. If we are right about the first consideration, but wrong about the second, then the result for our shareholders won't meet expectations. It's because currency moves are so notoriously hard to predict that we tend to take the second variable out of the equation. We use currency forwards to mitigate the impact that exchange rate fluctuations would otherwise have on Majedie's net asset value. As of today, the portfolio's active currency risk is minimal. Regardless of whether the pound should rise or fall from here, the impact on performance outcomes in sterling is negligible. The bottom line, we will never use currency moves as an explanation for good or bad performance. Shareholders in Majedie Investments should be confident that outcomes will be determined by our ability to access compelling and differentiated fundamental investments.